Hi, today in front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. Now first open the Gmail application and then tap to the right upper corner to log out from Gmail application. We should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to more, then tap to remove account, confirm your action, tap to OK. So now we should verify that it's you if you use some protect methods. I'll use my fingerprint. So now we just successfully log out from the Google account on our device, and let's go back to the application and we can see that we just successfully logged out also from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.